edging into everyone's hearts. It's Coyote, the southern white rhino. Born at California's San Diego Zoo, the calf weighs around 150 pounds, but once he's an adult, he'll be a whopping 4,000 to 5,000 pounds. That's between 1 and 2,000 kilograms. He's less than 2 weeks old, but already Coyote has a signature habit that sets him apart, says zookeeper Jane Kennedy.
I think he sticks out his tongue because that's his personality. I've seen several other little white rhinos and they haven't done that before. It's probably just something that Coyote likes to do.
The calf is the 93rd southern white rhino born at the zoo, and after so much activity, it's time for a nap.